Hello guys, the Dragon Bee 1029. Welcome back to Subway Surfers. I haven't played this in a long time, so let's give it a go, shall we? So here we go. All right. So I want to give a special shout out to Kendra. She suggested this game a long time ago. I didn't even do it. So let's see how far we can get through running. Try to beat my high score. God damn it. Alright. Fernando. So we're trying to spell Fernando. Here we go. Got a little magnet polo stick. Oh geez. Oh wow, that actually worked. Oh god damn it. Alright, we're gonna try to see how far we can get. And try not to die as much. Here we go, here we go. Yeah, I don't know why I chose fresh. Oh goddamn, I missed the boots. In this game is also, and I also want to give a special shout out to Kendra's friend Samaya. She also plays this game, so Samaya, I'm gonna beat my high score and try to beat you at this game. Here we go. Oh god. Oh Jesus Christ. I did not mean to do that. Oh god damn it. I'm not sure how far I'm gonna get through this, but I hope it's soon. Oh god damn it. Fuck off, guard. Excuse my French. I'm also expecting a package soon, because it comes with more of my Pokemon cards, so stay tuned for that. If I don't record it, that means my mom is home. Oh god damn it. Ooh, mystery box, get it! Yes! Man, that was a good trick shot. Fuck! Oh god damn it. Oh! Fuck. Yeah, it was his lifeline. I can't stand it no more. I just wanted to do this. Alright, here we go. Back in it we go. Okay, there's the B. Stands for dragon. Here we go, back with the jetpack, which I literally hate. Oh, I'm the best. I'm just the best. Oh man, I should probably save my hoverboard time. Let's see how far we can get. Try to see if we can beat our high score. Okay, we completed that mission. Oh Jesus Christ. And we got another mystery box. Another magnet. Another jetpack. Alright, come on. Oh, wow. Man, Fresh is literally the fastest runner in Subway Surfers. And just so you notice, guys, that the new season for Apex Legends Mobile just came out. I'm not sure you heard that news, but if you want to download Apex Legends Mobile for yourself, the link will be in the description. if I could figure out how to do it. Oh, jeez. I meant to jump. I meant to jump to hop onto the other roof. Oh, damn it. Okay, so far so good. Didn't get hit. Didn't get hit. And that one time doesn't count, so. Oh, God. Come on. Come on. There's another pyramid. I want those dudes, but yeah, let's. Oh, jeez. Jeez. I don't know. Why is there lag all of a sudden? Okay, there we go. Here we go. There we go. Come on, we gotta beat our high score here. Come on. Come on, we can do this. Come on. I think I might have a chance. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, God, come on. Alright. Man, I haven't played this game in a long time, but I still got the moves on it. There we go. Whoa, ranking reward available. Oh, wow. Oh, jeez. I thought guard was gonna come back. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, no, misery box. Yes, please. No jetpack, come on. Oh, jeez, come on. Get away from the guard. Alright, I only got 3 hoverboards left. Gotta make this one count. Oh, Jesus Christ. There we go. Alright, there we go. Come on. There we go. Oh, jeez. Oh, Jesus Christ. Jeez. Oh my God. This is getting so intense. Will I be able to beat my high score though? That's my question though. Because I don't remember what my high score was. Oh my God. Seems like I didn't run forever. I still don't understand how this game works. I mean, is there some way to... Do you have to actually get away from guards there and exit or something? That's the one part I didn't understand when this game first came out in 2012. Oh boy. Oh God. Come on. That's it. Come on. Yes. No. Yes. No. Speed. Yes. Oh man, I barely made that. There we... Boom! Made it. Come on. We can do it. I can do it. God damn. In case you're wondering what I'm watching Home Alone, the first one. I don't know why, but... Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh my god. That was so freaking close. Will I be able to beat my high school? Oh, god, I missed the popo stick. Come on. I don't wanna die, I don't wanna die. There we go. Jetpack! This might be good enough for me to beat Dino. Pass Dino, I should say. Come on. Oh my god, what the hell was that? Oh jeez. Oh my god. Oh my god. Coin master reward. That's right. Boom. There we go. Come on. It feels like I've been running for hours, man. But I need to beat my high score. See if I can remember what my high score was. Oh jeez, don't lag like that. Here we go. My god, I hate when the sound does that. Oh, didn't pick the wrong side though, where the train was. Man, why does this guy have to go the wrong direction where the trains are going directly at them? That's the one part I don't understand about this game. Was my score 5,000? I'm not sure. Oh Jesus Christ! Okay, come on. Oh god! Ah! I'm using another revive. Okay, come on. We can do it. Doesn't go for a magnet. Oh my god. I did not expect that. I meant to jump, then I got killed. Alright, come on. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, I cleared the mission though. Woo! Oh, there we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh. Going. Oh, damn it. I think this. I'm not sure about this high score though. But I'm just gonna die and go for it. Okay. No, I'm not gonna use another revive. Frick! I didn't beat my high score. Gosh darn it. Well, I wasted all that for nothing. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button down below. I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace out.